Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display the seabed area on the Navionics Boating application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And click to the layers icon at the lower left corner of the screen. Scroll down and you can find the seabed areas option, and if you want to display, just click to the next circle icon, and new this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.